Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to uninstall a program in Windows 11. First way, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel, select Programs and then uninstall a program. You will see a list of all installed programs. Choose the one you want to uninstall, click Uninstall and follow the instruction. Second way, open the Start menu and select all apps. Find the program you want to uninstall, right-click on it and select Uninstall. If you cannot uninstall it directly, it will take you to the Installed Apps section in Settings. There, find the program, click on the three dots next to it, and select Uninstall. Follow the instruction to complete the uninstallation. Third way, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Select Apps and then Installed Apps. Find the program you want to uninstall, click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Follow the instruction to complete the process, and that's it. I hope this video has been helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.